Alrighty guys, what is going up? I hope you guys are all having a great and amazing day today. Now in today's episode, we're going to be talking about the top 6 disruptive growth stocks. I hope you guys enjoy it, and if you guys get anything in value out of this video, please repay me with a huge like. Also, you guys need to go ahead and check out my course and use the code STOCKS to get 50% off. You guys will learn fundamental and technical analysis and a ton of other things. Make sure you guys check that out. Use that promo code. So now let's jump into it. Roll the intro. Let's go. Bam! Alrighty guys, so the very first stock here is ticker symbol TSLA. Now before we actually jump into all of the stocks, I want to give you guys my brief description on how to actually go ahead and invest. Before you guys invest, you guys should have a nice solid base of ETFs or bonds to kind of act as your defense in your portfolio. These stocks are very, very high risk, high reward. With high risk, some of them may fall through, so it's nice to have a good balance in your portfolio. It's highly recommended, and that's what I would recommend doing. So Tesla. Tesla is the front runner in the electric auto space. They have a ton of long-term potential, but like I was saying, they're very, very volatile. The stock is down around 21%. The reason why is because it was just completely overextended. The stock was overvalued, fell. It was coming. Now, do I think it's getting into undervalued territory? Maybe. We'll see what happens when the next revenue statement comes out. But overall, definitely want to keep an eye on Tesla. So now the second one here is ticker symbol LMND. This is LMND, also known as Lemonade Insurance. Really what they focus on is tech insurance. So really what that means is they have a mobile app and they have a very, very streamlined website where you guys can actually get quotes and insurance. They specialize in homeowners, renters, and pet health. Those are really the three main that they focus on. They really target millennials. Around 87% of all of their users are between the ages of really 18 and 44. So honestly, this is going to be one that I think is slowly going to take up more and more insurance market share. Definitely one to at least keep an eye on here. I'm super excited to see what happens. But really, it is using this overall 200 moving average line as some resistance. Just so you guys know, you guys can see it hit it. So now we are waiting for really buying pressure to come back up and try to break above that. But overall, it's definitely one to keep an eye on, and I highly recommend it. So now the next one here is ticker symbol BYND, also known as Beyond Meat. This is a awesome stock. This stock has a 5-year growth of around 102%, which is really, really strong. Obviously, they are the front runner in the plant-based foods, and I think people are going to get more and more dependable on plant-based. I think there is a ton of ways to kind of take up market share in that sector, because a lot of people kind of had the mindset, well, if it tastes the same as regular meat, then I might as well have the plant-based foods. And that's kind of like my thought process. You know, I've ate Beyond Meat food multiple times, and I think their company is actually pretty cool as well. So the next one here is Zillow, ticker symbol G or ZG. This stock here is a very, very strong one. Beautiful upward trend. Did get hit decently hard by the overall recession. Was trading at 65. Fell all the way down to 20 before it broke over that 200 moving average line. So now it is using as support. Now I think we'll have some short-term sell-off, probably to around $60 or $75. But overall, this is a very, very strong stock to keep on watch. They are definitely one of the front runners in the real estate tech. Really, that's what they have. I'm sure you guys have seen the Zillow website. It's really, really streamlined. And they also have one for renters and multifamilies. It's really, really cool. And they can manage all of your renters if you guys are like a landlord or something like that. And they do take a little fee. That's how they make a little money there. Now, the next one here is ticker symbol SQ. This is also known as Square. Square is really an online payment system. The 5-year growth is very, very strong, over 1,100%. So they are killing it. But honestly, this one here, they own a ton. They own the Cash App. They own a lot of the small business credit card processors. They're really, really sweet, and they're cool. They're modernistic. They're honestly awesome. And I think the company has overall really, really good fundamentals behind it. They have a lot of cash on hand, not too much long-term debt. It's just a pretty strong and solid company. Now the next one here is ticker symbol SHOP, also known as Shopify. This one's 5-year growth is 3,500%, which is absolutely crazy. You guys can see that not too long ago, the stock here was trading at around $305 before it hit $1,153 before we had some sell-off. Now they are an e-commerce website, and honestly, I think with this overall recession, people can't go out and buy things, and Shopify kind of used that to their advantage and overall probably made a ton of money. I can guarantee the revenue is killing it for the past couple of quarters. So that is it though. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode, and if you guys did, make sure you guys smash the like button and go ahead and check out my course. Use the code STOCKS to get 50% off. Make sure you guys don't forget. So now we'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Roll the outro. Let's go. Bam.